there, welcome back to the Daily House Ideas. I am so excited you are here today because we are diving into one of my absolute favorite topics, transforming your farmhouse home into a breezy, light-filled summer sanctuary. From the front porch all the way to the garage, we are covering every single space with the warmest, most inviting summer decor ideas you will ever see. If this is your first time here, welcome to the family. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss a video. Drop a comment below and tell me which room you are most excited about. Now, let us get started. Your farmhouse exterior is the very first story your home tells, and in summer, that story should feel fresh, welcoming, and effortlessly charming. Think classic white board and batten siding, paired with black window trim for that timeless contrast. Add window boxes overflowing with trailing petunias, lavender, and white daisies. Hang an oversized galvanized metal lantern by the front door and swap your wreath for one made of dried wheat and cotton stems. Painting your front door in a soft sage green or warm navy instantly elevates your curb appeal and signals summer has truly arrived. Your entryway sets the mood the moment the door swings open, so let us make it work beautifully. Mount a shiplap-backed coat and hat rack with vintage-style iron hooks, perfect for straw hats and light linen jackets. Below it, tuck in a slim shoe cabinet in a whitewashed finish to keep things tidy without feeling bulky. Add a narrow upholstered bench in a ticking stripe or cream linen for easy shoe changes. A round distressed mirror above creates light and depth, while a jute runner mat with a subtle pattern anchors the space. Finish with a small ceramic vase of fresh eucalyptus for that welcoming summer scent. The farmhouse living room in summer is all about breathing room and natural texture. Swap out heavy drapes for sheer white linen curtains that billow gently and flood the room with golden light. Layer a chunky jute rug beneath a slip-covered sofa in soft white or oatmeal linen. Slipcovers are your best friend for summer because they feel cool and are easy to wash. Add throw pillows in faded blue ticking stripes and muted terracotta. Place a vintage wooden coffee table topped with a mason jar of wildflowers, a stack of coffee table books, and a small candle lantern. This is the essence of relaxed farmhouse living. The dining room is where summer memories are made, so let us dress it beautifully. A long farmhouse dining table in solid oak or pine is the anchor. Look for one with a slightly distressed finish for authentic character. Layer a linen table runner in warm white down the center, and build your table's cape with mismatched vintage ceramic pitchers filled with garden florals, pillar candles in varying heights, and a wooden dough bowl filled with fresh lemons and greenery. Rattan or woven seagrass dining chairs mix beautifully with wooden elements. Hang a simple iron chandelier above to add warmth as the evening light fades during long summer dinners. Nothing feels more quintessentially farmhouse than a kitchen that is both stunning and hardworking. Choose cream or soft white shaker-style cabinets with aged brass or matte black hardware for that perfect farmhouse meets summer look. A farmhouse apron sink in white porcelain is a must. On the countertops, display a classic stainless steel or matte black stove as the centerpiece. Keep your refrigerator in a panel-ready or retro style in cream to blend seamlessly. Tuck a small, charming espresso or pour-over coffee machine on a dedicated coffee station corner. Add a small chalkboard sign and a vintage tin for coffee pots. Herbs in terracotta pots on the windowsill complete the picture perfectly. A dedicated coffee station inside your farmhouse kitchen is a small luxury that makes every morning feel like a slow, intentional ritual. Choose a compact, stylish coffee machine. A matte black drip brewer or a small French press setup works beautifully. Place it on a wooden tray or a butcher block corner shelf alongside a ceramic sugar bowl, a small milk pitcher, and a little succulent or sprig of lavender. Hang a small open shelf above with stacked mugs in earthy neutrals or classic white. A tiny chalkboard menu board leaning against the backsplash adds a charming, cafe-inspired touch that guests always love and notice. The farmhouse family room is where the whole household unwinds together, so comfort is non-negotiable. Mount your flat-screen TV on a shiplap feature wall, painted in a soft warm white, and frame it with floating wooden shelves on either side styled with books, small plants, and vintage finds. Ground the space with a large, washable cotton rug in a classic stripe or natural weave. Choose a deep, oversized sectional sofa in a performance fabric, something that can handle summer ice cream and movie nights. Add woven baskets for throw blankets, a wooden side table, and a floor lamp with a linen shade for that cozy golden evening glow. In today's world, your home needs to work as hard as you do, and a farmhouse-style multifunctional space does it with incredible charm. Choose a unique, compact writing desk, something with character, like a vintage school desk or a small antique secretary desk in a distressed finish. Pair it with a simple wooden chair softened by a linen cushion. On the desk, place a small, beautifully designed analog desk clock, perhaps a brass or bronze mantle-style mini clock, for both function and personality. Add a compact vintage-inspired small radio for ambient background music while you work. A pinboard in a reclaimed wood frame and a small potted succulent keep the space both productive and personal. Every farmhouse home deserves a quiet reading nook tucked away from the world. Carve out a corner near a window, ideally one with summer garden views, and build a simple built-in bench with hidden storage underneath, upholstered in a soft cream or pale blue fabric. Pile it high with linen throw pillows and a lightweight cotton blanket in a soft gingham check. Mount a small floating wooden shelf above at arm's reach, stocked with your current reads and a small ceramic mug warmer. Layer a small jute rug beneath to define the space. String a few Edison bulb fairy lights above for the most magical evening reading atmosphere imaginable. Your farmhouse bedroom in summer should feel like waking up in a countryside inn, serene, soft, and beautifully simple. Start with a wrought iron or whitewashed wooden bed frame as your anchor. Dress your bed in crisp white cotton percale sheets and layer a lightweight linen quilt in a soft sage or dusty blue on top. Add 2 Euro pillows in textured linen shams for that effortlessly layered designer look. A weathered wood nightstand on each side with a small ceramic lamp, a bud vase of garden flowers, and a simple book is all you need. Keep window treatments light, white linen panels that let the morning breeze drift in freely. A farmhouse bathroom is a sanctuary of simplicity, and in summer it should feel like a breath of clean, cool air. Choose a walk-in shower with white subway tile and dark grout for a classic combination that never goes out of style. Mount a floating wood-framed mirror above a simple white pedestal or undermount vessel sink on a shiplap or board and batten vanity. Use aged brass or oil-rubbed bronze for your faucet and towel hardware to add warmth. Stack fluffy white towels in a wire basket nearby. Add a small potted fern or trailing ivy to the windowsill and a glass soap dispenser with a handwritten label for a charming spa-like detail. Your garage does not have to be an afterthought. In a well-designed farmhouse home, even this space gets the character treatment. Paint the interior walls a clean white and install open wooden shelving along one wall for organized storage. Use galvanized metal bins, labeled wooden crates, and pegboards with iron hooks to keep tools, sports equipment, and garden supplies beautifully organized. A chalkboard wall panel near the entry is perfect for notes and to-do lists. Consider a vintage-style barn door or carriage-style garage door for the exterior. It is one of the most impactful upgrades you can make and dramatically improves your farmhouse curb appeal from the street. The farmhouse patio is your outdoor living room, and in summer it truly comes alive. Start with a simple concrete or aged brick paving base and layer a large outdoor jute or sisal rug to define the seating area. Choose teak or weathered acacia wood furniture, a dining set, or a pair of deep lounge chairs with thick linen cushions in natural tones. Hang string lights overhead between wooden posts, or a pergola structure draped in climbing white roses or jasmine. Add oversized terracotta pots, filled with lavender and rosemary along the edges. A galvanized metal bucket filled with ice and summer drinks on the side table is the ultimate summer farmhouse patio detail. One of the most important design tips I can share is understanding how to build your farmhouse summer color palette with intention. Summer farmhouse design lives in a soft, nature-inspired spectrum. Think warm whites, creamy ivories, sun-bleached linens, sage greens, dusty blues, and touches of muted terracotta. These are what designers call an analogous palette, colors that sit harmoniously next to each other on the color wheel. Layer your palette through textiles, ceramics, and botanicals rather than paint to keep things flexible and easy to refresh year after year. The key rule is to always balance light neutrals with warm organic textures like rattan, jute, and raw wood for depth. In farmhouse design, texture is what gives a space its soul. For summer, the goal is to choose materials that feel light, breathable, and organic. Linen is your absolute best friend. Use it for curtains, throw pillows, and bed linens because it gets softer and more beautiful with every wash. Layer in rattan and wicker through baskets, light fixtures, and furniture frames for that breezy, natural warmth. Choose cotton slipcovers over heavy upholstery, and opt for whitewashed or lightly stained wood over dark finishes. Even your accessories, ceramic pitchers, stone coasters, hand-thrown pottery, should feel handcrafted and genuine. Texture is what makes farmhouse design feel truly lived in and loved. Nothing transforms a farmhouse interior for summer quite like bringing the natural world inside. Fresh flowers and greenery are the easiest and most impactful decor update you can make. Fill vintage ironstone pitchers with garden roses, fill a wooden dough bowl with potted herbs, and stand tall branches of eucalyptus in a simple stone base. On your dining table, a cluster of mason jars with mixed wildflowers creates a centerpiece that feels abundant and effortless. Botanicals add color, fragrance, and life to every room. The design term for this approach is biophilic design, and it is the principle that connecting our living spaces to nature genuinely makes us feel happier and more at peace. You do not need a complete renovation to give your farmhouse home a stunning summer refresh. Sometimes the smallest swaps make the biggest impact. Swap your winter weight throw blankets for lightweight cotton and linen versions in softer colors. Replace heavy velvet or wool cushion covers with linen or cotton ones in fresh whites and botanicals. Switch out your ceramic or glass vases for terracotta and galvanized metal ones. Roll up any dark area rugs and replace them with jute, sisal, or cotton woven alternatives. Bring in a new wicker or rattan accent chair. And simply clearing your countertops and surfaces of clutter instantly makes any space feel more airy, open, and deliberately styled. The magic of farmhouse design truly lives in the details, and curating your accessories with intention is what separates a beautifully styled home from one that just feels random. Think about creating vignettes, small, intentional groupings of objects that tell a story together. A vintage scale, a stack of aged books, and a small ceramic bowl of river stones on a kitchen counter. A wooden tray on your coffee table holding a candle, a small succulent, and a woven coaster. On your entryway console, a lantern, a trailing vine plant, and a family photo in a distressed wood frame. Every grouping should have varying heights, mixed textures, and a connection to nature or history for that authentic farmhouse soul. And there you have it, a complete room-by-room guide to creating your own relaxed, light-filled farmhouse summer home that is as beautiful as it is livable. From a blooming exterior facade and a hardworking entryway, through sun-drenched living spaces, a charming kitchen, a cozy family room, your personal office nook, a dreamy reading corner, serene bedroom and bathroom retreats, all the way out to your gorgeous patio. Every single space has the potential to feel like your own private summer escape. Remember, farmhouse design is not about perfection. It is about warmth, authenticity, and surrounding yourself with things that feel genuinely meaningful. Start with one room, one simple swap, and let your home evolve with you. Thank you so much for spending this time with me today here on the Daily House Ideas. It truly means the world. I hope this video has left you feeling inspired, excited, and ready to bring that warm, airy farmhouse summer feeling into your own beautiful home. If you loved what you saw today, please give this video a big thumbs up. It genuinely helps this channel reach more people who are looking for exactly this kind of inspiration. Drop a comment below and tell me your favorite space from today's tour, or share what farmhouse detail you're going to try first. And if you have not yet, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you're always the first to know when new videos go live. Until next time, keep designing spaces you truly love. I will see you in the next one.